Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have Word open and the URL copied. Start now. First, position the cursor where the link belongs and select any text or image you want as the clickable target. Once done, use Insert Link or press Ctrl+K to open the hyperlink dialog. In that dialog, paste the URL. This tells Word where to send readers. Make sure the display text reads clearly so recipients know what they will open. This first step sets a clean, accessible foundation for the rest of the process. Now configure the link so it behaves reliably and safely. After pasting, confirm the address uses a proper scheme like HTTPS to avoid blocked content. Insecure links can warn users. Then set display text if needed and click Screen Tip to add a short descriptive tooltip. This helps assistive tech and clarity. For links to local files, prefer attaching the file or using relative paths for shared folders. Once configured, press OK to embed the hyperlink and test it. Finish by verifying and sharing the document. You want the link to work for others. Click the link to test opening behavior and try on another computer or in a saved copy to confirm consistency. If it fails, check common problems: accidental leading/trailing spaces, missing HTTPS, moved files, or permission restrictions. Fix those and retest. If needed, right-click to edit hyperlink or remove hyperlink and recreate it. One key tip: if recipients can't access a file link, attach the file or provide a cloud link instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.